A Kansas company is now being sued by the Attorney General for allegedly scamming homeowners. And if you've been paying attention to the rise of cash buyers, this shouldn't surprise you. According to the lawsuit, homeowners were being put into agreements that didn't always plan out the way they expected. In some cases, deals didn't close, sellers were left in difficult situations, or properties were being turned around and marketed for significantly more. And here's the bigger issue. Many homeowners thought they had a done deal. This is what happens when you have an industry that isn't regulated like licensed real estate professionals, doesn't require fiduciary responsibility, and is built around speed and margin. Now, there are good operators out there, but there are also plenty who are not. We've seen situations where someone sells their home, starts making a plan, and even goes and rents another place. And then, when it's time to close, the buyer isn't anywhere to be found. Or the terms change, or the deal falls apart completely. That's not just inconvenient, that can be financially devastating. And let's be honest, how many times have you seen someone sell their home to a cash buyer, and then the next day it's being marketed for tens of thousands more on Facebook or other social media? That profit didn't disappear, it just didn't go to the homeowner. This is exactly why Kansas City legacy properties exist. We're not here to tell you cash offers are always bad. There are situations where they make sense, and we give them as well. But you deserve to know what your home is actually worth, what you're giving up, and what your real options are. Because once you sign that contract, you don't get that leverage back. And if you're thinking about selling, especially if it's an inherited property or a stressful situation, don't go into it blind. Just get clarity first. At Kansas City Legacy Properties, that's what we do. No pressure, just protection. Click the link below.